Hi, travel agents and travel professionals. Today, I'm going to give you one strategy that will help you get better results with your newsletters. The way for you to start getting better results with your newsletters is to write about general travel topics as opposed to topics specific to your niche. You should be thinking, but this is strange. I'm selling business travel to China and then I'm writing about kayaking at Lake Saimaa in Finland. Let me tell you something. It makes all the sense in the world. It's just because nowadays, millennials are looking for different experiences. They are looking for different destinations, they want to do different things rather than older generations. Things have changed a lot since then. So let me give you some examples. Say, for example, you organize safari tours, okay? And you've already sold some safari bookings this year. So if you're going to send to your customers information about safaris, best cities or best places in the world to go for a tour and see the different kinds of animal and species, then your client should be thinking, I just been there. I don't need this information anymore. So there is no reason for you to repeat the information. So what should you do then? So you should be writing about tips of skipping the lines at London airport, for example, or a guideline to Milano, or uh, different kinds of things that are valuable to your customer. So it's very, very important that you position yourself as an authority which is up to date with the news of travel and can give valuable advice to your customers. But then you should be thinking, I don't have all the time to write all these articles. I know that you don't have time, but it's absolutely essential that you write those articles and you share among your customers because they will refer you to their friends, to their close ones, to their family relatives, and all their network. So it's extremely important that you have those articles. So this is the kind of content that you need to produce. However, I know that many travel professionals struggle to write this kind of content, even though they know it's absolutely essential to write it. So we found the perfect solution for you. We have asked our travel blogger to write 25 articles professionally written just for you. And you can use them however you want. These are professional written articles about different travel topics, which you can edit, you can reward it, you can use however you want. The copyrights are for you. And I want you to use this as a reference to start creating more and more articles for the future because I want that the travelers and clients trust your expertise as an authority to give tips and valuable advice whenever they travel.